So today, we are uncovering the best digital product businesses to start, specifically designed for solopreneurs, freelancers, or anyone aiming to get started in launching their own business. These unique opportunities stand out because they are scalable, require low startup costs, and have the potential to significantly boost your earnings, with some entrepreneurs reaching up to 6 figures in monthly profits. The highly successful investor Warren Buffett emphasizes that the most lucrative businesses to invest in are those with high profit margins. The businesses we're exploring today boast profit margins of 50% or more, which is massive compared to the global average of 7% across all industries. If you're in search of a one-person business model that could substantially increase your income this year, stay tuned as we are just moments away from getting into all the deets. Before we dive into the details, if you are new to our channel, hello and welcome to Digital Hippie, where we explore the world of earning income online through innovative business models and AI tools and automation, empowering you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. If you're all about transforming your digital dreams and crafting your reality, spread love by tapping that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay groovy with our content. Hop in. Let's ride the digital wave. Business idea number 1. No matter what your expertise is, 5- and 6-figure monthly are within reach. Whether you're a graphic designer, developer, copywriter, marketer, videographer, or any other skill set where you provide services, if you're struggling to scale up, it's probably because you're stuck in traditional ways of operating your business. However, there's a transformative approach that not only boosts your income, but also enhances client satisfaction, without the need for acquiring new skills. This revolutionary method only requires a tweak in your business model and a shift in how you present your services. Adopting what's known as a productized service business, or a productized service agency. Traditionally, agencies operate on a model where services are customized, tailoring solutions to each client's unique needs, with pricing that varies based on time or project scope. This approach, while personalized, often limits scalability due to its reliance on tailor-made solutions and extensive client management. The concept of a productized service agency, however, marks a departure from the traditional agency model, focusing instead on standardization and efficiency. With this model, services are packaged with predetermined outcomes and fixed pricing, designed for scalability. Rather than selling your time, you're selling outcomes, a transformative shift that can significantly boost profitability and operational efficiency in your business. For example, a graphic designer could offer an unlimited design package for a flat monthly fee, streamlining operations and enhancing profit margins without the need for direct, continuous client interaction. This is how the productized graphic design agency DesignJoy operates, with their main caveat being clients are only allowed to submit 1 to 2 requests at any given time, depending on the service package they've selected. Graphic design is just one example, but you can productize almost any service. To successfully transition or start a productized service agency, it's important to focus on 3 key strategies. First and foremost, focus on addressing a significant pain point in the market. Businesses are willing to pay for anyone who can demonstrate how to save or make them money. For example, a productized digital marketing agency can leverage this concept by offering tiered service packages designed to streamline marketing efforts. These packages can provide scalable options, including ad creative, copywriting, graphic designs, marketing strategy, funnels, and more, which directly address the constant need for effective marketing strategies. This is exactly what the productized agency Grobo offers, where they allow businesses to access marketing solutions that not only fit their specific needs, but also offer a clear path to enhancing marketing ROI and fostering growth. This approach effectively taps into the market's demand for cost-effective, impactful marketing support that every business needs. Secondly, it's important to focus on services that provide recurring revenue. For example, as a graphic designer, if your sole offering is website and logo design, your engagement with clients is typically a one-off, given that a website and logo redesign is infrequent. On the other hand, if you pivot to offering YouTube thumbnail creation, you tap into a more consistent demand. Your clients, who are likely content creators, are continually producing new videos, which in turn mean they will need fresh thumbnails for each video. This not only guarantees ongoing work, but also builds a lasting client relationship. In theory, securing a client in such a scenario means they'll return for your services repeatedly, therefore creating a reliable stream of income. The third focus should be on scaling with systems. The objective is to create a sustainable business model that you don't resent over time. Start with a small subset of productized offers, as you don't want to overcommit yourself when you are just starting out. Perfect 1 or 2 service packages by crafting systems and checklists outlining how you provide the service from start to finish. By doing so, you can eventually delegate tasks and replace yourself by hiring individuals who adhere to your established processes. This ensures the delivery of consistent and high-quality results, fostering business growth while maintaining efficiency. Embracing a productized service model represents a significant leap forward for agencies and service businesses looking to scale. By focusing on these strategies, you're not just changing how you operate, you're redefining the very essence of your business for the better. Not to mention, this business model can yield you between 50–70% in gross profit. You can say goodbye to the old, labor-intensive ways of running an agency and welcome a new era of efficiency, scalability, and profitability. Business idea number 2. Our next digital product business idea is to offer coaching or courses. Coaching and courses profit margins range between 70–90%, making this opportunity very appealing to solopreneurs. It's all about providing consulting services or sharing information through online platforms. However, if you decide to take this path, there are 3 crucial things you must get right. Otherwise, you might end up despising your coaching and course creation journey. Here's some tips for you. First and foremost, it's crucial to master the art of selling your expertise. You must not be shy to offer your knowledge and expertise to others. You worked hard to learn and have already invested resources into your knowledge, whether that was time, money, or both. It's time to reap what you've sowed. Think about it. You've honed your craft to excellence, whatever that craft is, and people have taken notice. Why not open yourself up to the idea of accepting payment for your guidance? Because in reality, you're offering valuable assistance, whether you decide that should be implemented through a course, coaching, or both. Often, the real transformation occurs during the exchange of currency. When others invest in themselves by hiring you to teach them your craft, that's where a significant portion of the value lies. Our second tip is to implement strategy. Now here's a bit of a controversial stance. Give away all your knowledge. It's what we call education-based marketing. We firmly believe that information naturally craves freedom, and where you get compensated is through the support of implementation. So, our advice? Share everything you know about your craft openly, be it on social media, YouTube, in seminars, on stages. Spill the tea and share your best insights. This strategy builds trust, an audience hungry to learn more from you. And when they see the value in your expertise, they'll be more than willing to pay for the hands-on implementation of that knowledge. Lastly, be sure to build a community. If you're an amazing coach or have a value-packed course that gets clients results, yet you don't provide the space for your students to connect, it's a missed opportunity for engagement and business growth. Creating a community where your clients can connect and learn from each other is pure gold. It adds immense value, not just for them, but for you too. It keeps people engaged in your world and allows for mutual support as your business grows. Now, if you are ready to start coaching or monetizing your expertise through courses, we recommend the Roadmap Online Business and Digital Marketing course. It's your go-to resource for launching and selling online, and it's ideal for both newbies and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. This comprehensive course simplifies digital marketing and business development across a practical 5-stage framework. With over 200 step-by-step video lessons, you'll learn everything from branding and sales funnels to automation, email marketing, traffic generation, and so much more. The course also includes a vibrant and active community of entrepreneurs with regularly updated modules and resources available in English and Spanish. Additionally, the Roadmap course offers an opportunity for an extra income stream through master resale rights, enabling you to learn, implement, and even sell the course content as your own. If you wish to do so, of course. This is the exact course taken to launch Digital Hippie, and we have found it to be more valuable, relevant, and cost-effective than our traditional 4-year university degree in marketing. To get started with the Roadmap course today, simply click our link in the description where we walk you through additional details of the Roadmap course, including our exclusive Digital Hippie bonuses. Check it out using the first link in our description below. Business idea number 3. So this last business idea might not be the most glamorous, but it's a lucrative opportunity with a proven method that delivers results. This business model is entirely cost-free to begin with and demands only a few hours of weekly commitment, making it an excellent choice if you're juggling it alongside a full-time job. The business idea we are referencing is starting a newsletter. So what exactly is a newsletter? A newsletter is essentially a regularly scheduled email sent by an individual or a business, containing content, updates, or information related to a specific topic or subject. Readers subscribe to newsletters to gain knowledge, stay informed about current trends, or even for a brief moment of entertainment. Choosing a niche should align with your existing knowledge, making content creation more straightforward. Interest in your topic likely means others will find it engaging too. The key is consistently delivering content that subscribers look forward to. It's recommended to start with a weekly email and increase frequency over time in order to boost income potential. With a few thousand subscribers, you can attract businesses willing to pay for advertising, much like on Facebook or Google, with payments based on viewership. Yet, the value of a newsletter lies not just in subscriber count, but in reader quality and engagement. A small, active subscriber base can be more lucrative than a large, disengaged one. Launching your newsletter can be highly rewarding, and partnering with businesses for newsletter monetization can be lucrative. Platforms like Beehive streamline this entire process by acting as a Google Ads equivalent for newsletters. Beehive automates the insertion of sponsored posts into your newsletters, offering a simple way to generate income. Moreover, Beehive's Boost feature facilitates your newsletter's growth and monetization simultaneously. It enables you to earn by promoting other newsletters to your subscribers, effectively increasing your subscriber base and revenue at the same time. The process is straightforward. Run a Facebook ad that offers a compelling lead magnet, such as 100 digital product ideas to create with AI. Interested individuals are directed to a landing page to submit their email for the lead magnet. Upon submission, a pop-up suggests subscribing to other newsletters. For each new sign-up through your recommendation, you earn $1 to $2. While the Facebook ad may cost about 80 cents per newsletter subscriber, you can offset this cost through the recommendations, essentially growing your list through Facebook ads for free. Additionally, leverage organic growth. This offers a genuine way to build and connect with your audience. Here's a quick 3-steps process to implement when organically expanding your subscriber list for your newsletter. Step 1. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels to share engaging content in your niche. This not only attracts your target audience, but also fosters meaningful interactions. Step 2. Engage in Facebook groups and Twitter. Participate in relevant discussions to establish your reputation and network. Sharing your knowledge can help gain trust and interest from potential subscribers. Step 3. Utilize Reddit. For your first 500 to 1,000 subscribers, Reddit's niche subreddits are a goldmine. Contribute valuable content without overt self-promotion, inviting readers to subscribe in a personal and relatable way. Growing your newsletter can be rewarding, attracting like-minded subscribers interested in your content. With dedicated effort, your subscriber base and potential for monetization will increase, possibly making your newsletter a valuable asset. The key is consistency, and adherence to these strategies can significantly boost your subscriber count and income. Well, friends, that's it for today's groovy ride in digital product business exploration. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring on your journey to online success and financial liberation. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, ensuring you're always on the path to achieving your goals. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to continue this journey together. This is Digital Hippie, reminding you to work less, earn more, and live hippie.